Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and I'm just going to do a quick video here to show the purple freebie kit that I have on my Ko-Fi account. It's not as big as usual. It is only 6 pages, but I think it's just chock full of beautiful papers. Okay, so we're going to start out with the first one, and it is going to be the theme that I thought I was going to be purple and butterflies, based on this first one that I had done a while ago. It's got butterfly and some, I'm thinking those are lavenders, and just a hint of orange in there, which is always fun to go with purple, cream colors, and this is the second one, and it is, I put it on the back of it because it's kind of a neutral page, like a back page, but again, it's got the purples and the neutral beiges, a bit of gray on there, a little bit grungy, looks like torn papers, like a masterboard. But I think this is gonna be really pretty together because when you do this side, I don't want to fold it too hard. I'm gonna have the flowers on this side, and when you do this side, it's got the butterfly, a little bit of room to journal on, but very pretty. So those are the first two. The next one is, again, butterflies. This one is a little bit more bold, and it has a great open space in here to be able to journaling. I think this would be a great center page for something because, yeah, I think just a big open space here. But again, if you wanted to do in a regular journal, you got two butterflies on that side and 2 butterflies on that side. All right, so that was page 3. This is page 4. It is a sort of a background page too. It's got shades of purple, kind of also on the fuchsia side. It might be hard to see, but there's like a chicken wire in the background, and some type in there, almost looks like newspaper print. Just a whole mishmash of stuff on there. But I put that on the back because, again, I needed some backers. So that is 3 and 4. All right, the 5th page is a very subtle wash of colors, dusty purples, dusty greens, a line drawing of like flowers, and just some script on here, a little bit of a mountainside, but just ethereal almost, very pretty. I don't think, yeah, the back I put a neutral beige on there just because I wanted to back it with something, but that is not included in the kit. And I didn't want to back that one with that one for it because these two are not, I would call, background pages. So that is the 5th one. And the 6th one is, again, with some butterflies, dusty colors again, dusty pinks, dusty greens, little polka dot in the background, like a hint of green in there, is a, again, kind of like a wispy, misty garden. And again, I put just a neutral one on the back for when I fold it into things. So that is my purple journal, your freebie. Again, just some pretty colors on here. I love them. They all go lovely together, I think, myself, with the beiges and the browns, etc. So I'm getting very excited to get my purple journal up and going for this, and yeah, very excited. All right, well, that is going to be it. Again, I said quick and easy. I just wanted to show you. It is located in my Ko-Fi account. It is a freebie, but if you feel inclined to support my channel and give a donation, I am very grateful when that happens. It's very humbling when people do that, and I appreciate it. But again, not necessary. So that is going to be it for me today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.